Welcome to the best resource online for you to learn Deno, master it, and get hired as a Deno developer. Whoa. Didn't Deno just come out? Isn't it new? That's right. This brand new course will not only teach you the basics of Deno, but it will also teach you the latest features, advanced features, ecosystem, and tools, as well as show you how to build professional scale apps using Deno that most tutorials shy away from. We believe that Deno is the future, and the early investment now by those who are early adopters will pay off greatly in the future. Imagine learning Node.js or React when they first came out. Imagine the advantage you would have had. We are excited about Deno, and you should be too, because it will change the JavaScript world over the next couple of years. So what will we learn in this course? Get ready for this. We're going to go over Deno fundamentals, compare Deno with Node, learn about the module system, dependency management, and tooling. We learn about file I/O and build a project that works on discovering real-life planets that may contain life in our universe. We will learn about building backends with Deno and RESTful APIs. We will then build a massive NASA mission control project that can be deployed to production using all the modern best practices. We even cover some bonus JavaScript and TypeScript if you're new to the programming world. But Andre, should I really invest my time in this course? Oh boy, you're a tough cookie. Okay then, let me tell you 3 reasons why this course is unlike anything out there. 1, you will build the biggest project you will find out there using Deno, using best practices where we take performance, scalability, and security in mind to build production-ready space launch system. That's right. Let's just say we don't shy away from the advanced topics. 2, this course is taught by 2 instructors that have actually worked for some of the biggest tech firms in the world. 2 instructors? That's right. Adam and I used to work together, and he's one of the smartest programmers I know. He has been working as a tech lead for backend systems for top companies with revenues exceeding $50 billion, including projects like Tesla Powerwall and Blackberry. Oh, and he's also a Deno contributor. Me? I'm Andre. I've worked for some large IPO tech firms, both in Silicon Valley and Toronto, and some of my past students now work at places like Google and Amazon. By having both of us teach, you get to see different perspectives and learn from 2 senior developers, as if we're working at a company together. Yippee! Oh, and I almost forgot. 3, this course will be constantly evolving and updating as the landscape changes. Just as the Deno ecosystem evolves, we want this course to be a constantly updated place with lectures and resources for you to come back to find the latest Deno best practices. This course will push you and challenge you to go from an absolute beginner in Deno to someone that can be a leader in the Deno ecosystem. All you need to know to take this course is some basic JavaScript. That's it. So, will Deno replace Node? Nobody can predict the future, but we are willing to bet that those who invest their time into Deno will reap the benefits in the coming years. Have a look at the course outline in the next video to see if this course is right for you. We'll see you inside.